live streams, and Discord. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So as you can tell by the video title, I kind of want to touch what we've been doing for the past, I guess, month now. So really kind of don't want you to miss out. If you've not joined the Discord server, we have been kind of going back and forth between server discussion and live stream. So if you're also not noticing or seeing that we are having a live stream, it's not every day, but it's pretty often. And we're going through leak code challenges. I'm probably going to start giving a summary video and going over those type of topics. But what I really want to focus on today is Discord. Make sure that you are using the link down below to join and ask any questions that you may have. There are plenty of channels. There's video requests. It's been around for a while. It's growing more and more because of the live streams that we've been doing. And it's a very easy platform to share code back and forth. And the reason why I really want to highlight it is the efficiencies and the ideas. So a couple days ago, we were doing a solve on leak code, and I had what I thought was a okay solution. It wasn't very efficient time-wise, but a member and somebody who joins the streams almost every day really saw through the challenge and through the problem and had a very, very elegant solution. But since we were all together on the stream, all on Discord, the ideas flow back and forth. So I just want to highlight that even though I'm here to share, I'm getting support, challenging thoughts, new ideas from all of you. So maybe it's selfish, maybe I want more members to help me grow, but I really am looking at this from the community-wise, and I want everybody to have the support that they need when they need it, and just want to stay focused on that. So real quick video today. Probably going to start summarizing the videos maybe after we stream. Hopefully we're going to have one tomorrow, but I just wanted to really drive this point home that the more people we have in the room, the better ideas we're going to have. That's probably the biggest thing that I've learned over the past few years of idea generation and problem solving. So there we go, guys. Please make sure you're jumping over to the Discord down below, hitting that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.